In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a game on Lovable 2025, step by step. We're going to build a simple, playable game using Lovable, an AI-powered tool that turns clear instructions into a working web game. The key is guiding the tool with a thoughtful prompt, then refining what it makes until it feels just right. Start by opening your browser and heading to lovable.dev. Once you're on the site, you'll see options to kick off a new project. The interface is straightforward, so focus on getting to the creation screen where you can outline your idea. Next, choose the kind of game you want to make. If you're new, simpler formats are perfect: a quiz game, a memory matching game, or a clicker game. Pick the style that matches your goal. For example, a quiz works great for educational content, memory match is ideal for visual themes, and clickers are perfect for quick, repeatable play. Now comes the most important part: describing your game. This is where Lovable really shines, but it needs a clear brief. Think about the theme, the core loop, how a player wins or loses, and any constraints. The more specific you are, the better the result. In the prompt box, explain your idea clearly and concretely. Instead of saying make a fun game, try something like create a 3-level quiz about world capitals with 10 multiple choice questions per level, a 20-second timer per question, instant feedback, a score at the top, and bright friendly colors. You can also define difficulty, sounds, animations, or accessibility preferences. Clarity saves time later. Once your prompt looks good, let Lovable generate the game. Click the action to build, then give it a moment to work. Behind the scenes, it's assembling the layout, logic, and visuals based on your instructions. It may take a while, especially for richer prompts. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing during generation so you don't interrupt the process. When the preview loads, test it right away, click through the menus, play a full round, and check that the rules behave as expected. Look for basic polish, readable text, appropriate pacing, and a clear path from start to finish. If something feels off, improve the game using prompts. Speak to Lovable like a collaborator. Increase the timer to 30 seconds, add a celebratory animation on correct answers, or use a darker color palette for better contrast. Make a few changes at a time, regenerate, and retest. Iterate until the gameplay, visuals, and feedback feel cohesive. That's it. Go from idea to playable game with a clear prompt, patient generation, and small, thoughtful refinement.